Guys, what's up? This is Shahul from NS channel. Today in this video I am going to unbox a new stylish phone. It's Redmi Y2. I can explain all specifications and review in this video. So guys, let's go for Hey guys, this is our new launcher phone Redmi Y2. It is a cool mobile and I want to remove stickers. On front side I also have a sticker. Removing it. Okay, I'm on the phone. I think it takes some time. Let's see what is inside in the box. I think this is a case and user guide. Let's see what is inside. Yes guys, this is a case and user guide. I think this is a silicone case. Let's see. Wow, the case is made with good plastic material. And this is a user guide. Let's see the charger, how it is. This is a USB cable. It is too large, guys. It is too large. And it is the charging adapter. It can be support fast charging. Okay, it is a SIM injected tool in the box. Let's see the phone. Wow, this is a full HD display, guys. You can see here total metallic body with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. And here it is 12+5 back camera, 16 megapixel front camera and fingerprint sensor. And here it is volume button and power button. Here it is speaker and mic. Here it is SIM injected slot. And here 2.5mm audio jack. Screen is too good. Let's see the settings. Where is settings? Yeah. Setting option is also too good. The Android version is 8.1 Oreo. And it coming with face unlock. Let's see the camera. I want to take picture of my Redmi Y2 box. Yes. Wow guys, camera quality is too good because Redmi is providing you large pixel in Y2. Let's see the picture. Wow, see here, I am zooming in. Wow, it is so cool picture, guys, because Redmi is a large pixel. Okay, total aluminum